Alright y'all, so welcome back to my channel, and by the title we are going to do our top 3 favorite nude lipsticks that look good on every single person. Well, at least in my opinion, it's going to look good on you guys. So anyway, welcome back. So if you don't know, I'm Maisha Chanel, and on this channel I like to do lifestyle, beauty. I like to do a little bit of everything, daily vlogging, mommy content, you name it, I'm trying to do it all. So welcome back to my channel, and let's get started into the video. Don't forget to also like, comment, and subscribe, and hit your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's get okay guys, so I figured before I start the video I'll just let you guys know. So basically I'm going to show you 3 different types of finishes. I'm going to show you a matte finish, a glossy finish, and like a satin cream finish. And I'm just going to show you guys the lip liner, the lipstick, and then for the glossy one, of course, the gloss that I would pair with the lip. So you guys can kind of just get an idea of how it should look and how it should go on and how it'll look against your skin tone if you are somebody who is around the same color as me. So I'm going to show y'all guys. I'm going to jump into basically the matte lip will be the first look I'm going to show. So let me get the lip liner and then the liquid lip I would use. Alright, so I wanted to be pretty much transparent and very authentic to myself and to the nudes that I would typically wear. The thing in this video that I will most likely repeat throughout the whole entire video is the lip liner that I do use, because whenever I do nude lips, I do typically always use this NYX lip liner right here. This is NYX Urban Cafe. I mention it all the time in almost all of my videos. I do mention this lip liner. So this is the lip liner I typically always tend to wear with any nudes. So I'm going to start off with the NYX Urban Cafe lip liner. I'm going to zoom you guys in. So we're going to do the NYX Urban Cafe lip liner. It helps me kind of like just blend the nudes, and it makes everything blend really nicely. Now I'm going to go in with the KVD liquid lipstick in the shade Bow and Arrow. This is honestly my favorite matte lip combo. It's the KVD Bow and Arrow. I like to use it all the time. It gives me like the bombest, freshest, super sexy, super bad bitch ass nude. Right, so I'm going to go in with the KVD lipstick first. I like to start from the center and work my way out. And it looks kind of crazy at first, and then I just like kind of start to rub my lips together. And then of course you want to have a lip brush, and now you could kind of just play around with it. And I will say the NYX Urban Cafe is kind of like more of a warmy type of lip liner, which I like. Like, I like that type of look. And now I'm just gonna clean up around the edges. So for the cleanup, I just took some of my foundation, and I have a flat brush. Alright y'all, so this is the first lip combo, NYX Urban Cafe lip liner with KVD Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick. So for the next one, I'm going to show y'all MAC lip liner in Cork. And clearly I like used and abused Cork. So I'm going to line my lips. And I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Power Bullet in the shades Interview. Now this is not like your typical nude. This one actually has like a little bit more of color. So this is like more of a mauve-y nude. It looks like this. This is like more of a mauve-y, like a peachy nude. And we're gonna blend it in some. And then what I like to do, just to really give it that nice nude effect, is I'm gonna go in with the KVD, and this is the Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick in the shade Whiteout. So it's basically a white. And hold on, guys, I think I did like a purple or something, so hold on. Wait, so I'm gonna go in with the Whiteout. And I'm gonna blend it in some. And now it just gives you like the perfect pale, like peachy nude. You can see it has a nice cream finish to the lips, and it's just super fresh, super girly. It also goes with this makeup look I have on really nice, really well. It's not too nude, but it's nude enough. It's not too brown. It's just a nice peachy shade. So I love this look. Alright, y'all, so now we're gonna go into the last look, which is gonna be the glossy lip. So I'm gonna go back in with the NYX Urban Cafe lip liner. So I'm gonna line my lips again. Alright, so I line my lips with the NYX Urban Cafe lip liner. Next, we're gonna go in with the MAC Viva Glam 2. And this is like, honestly, one of my favorite lipsticks. Like, if I could say my signature combo, it would definitely be this combo I'm showing you guys right here. This is such a My Asia Chanel everyday look. And then now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline. So this is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and this is the shade Stone. OMG. I discovered this maybe like a month and a half ago, and I'm obsessed with these glosses. Oh my god. Wait till y'all see. I like literally slather it. It gives you like the perfect sexy glossy pouty look, and it looks like this. And your teeth looks extra white. It has a nice little minty feel, so I guess that's like the plumping and that collagen effect that it gives you. Super bomb. Alright, y'all, so I hope you enjoyed this lip combo video. Let me know if you guys try any of the looks. Tag me in the looks. Also take pictures. Also don't forget to check out my Instagram, instagram.com/MyAsiaChanel. If you go on Instagram at MyAsiaChanel, you could definitely tag me in your combos over there and let me see how you like the looks. And also, if you have like any other suggestions and like this color family, or maybe even a little bit more peachy that you think I should try out, or any videos you guys want to see from me, don't forget to leave it in the comment box below. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next ones. Stay safe, babies. Stay blessed, and later.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause